Hello everyone, hello Catstail. I'm here to talk about the new Patreon that we opened for GDQuest. GDQuest is all about making game development tutorials for programs like Godot, Krita, free software in general. Right now only those two, but we really want to expand in the future. We focus on making quality tutorials that take your feedback into account. Actually, at the time of recording, I'm running a form that people are currently filling to get your request, your feedback on how we can improve the videos. So now we're opening a Patreon. We want you to keep making GDQuest possible. Quality tutorials are hard to make. They cost an arm, to be fair, it takes a lot of time, and we don't want to cut on that. So if you decide to become our patron, you will get early access to new videos before they are released on the channel. Early access to free content, but also to premium content. You will get access to our private Discord server where we put extra information. Well, I mostly answer people's questions there and, give some info on what I'm working on, the new techniques I'm discovering. I'm doing research all the time on the programs I use, so you can get a lot of extra insights there. If you decide to support us even more, you will get, what will you get? Hold on. I don't remember what you get. So yeah, if you support us even more, you can get your own how-tos, like answers to your questions, the problem that you have with your game and all that stuff. We'll make it public so that anyone benefits from it, or everyone, should I say. This is a great way to help you specifically get support and make it benefit everyone. All the money that you will put on this project will help to hire people like Guilherme and Henrique and everyone that now collaborates on GDQuest, and this makes a real difference. So please go check out the Patreon. As always, thank you kindly for watching. Be creative, have fun, and see you in the next one.